Hello, my name is Abbey Smith and I've been a lighting and sound assistant at Two River for the last 2 years. When you come to see a show at a theater like Two River, it is the result of a long process months in advance before we ever have an audience. Specifically in the lighting and sound department, we are working with designers months in advance to figure out where they want their lights and their speakers hung. And then when the designers come in, we will have a focus where we point the speakers and the lighting fixtures where the designers want them on stage. And so we are going to talk a little bit about that process today. Okay, so now we are in the catwalks. We are in the front of house position, so that means that all the lights that are here are generally pointed to the front of the stage, and that means that the light is going to shine on the actors' faces. And we are in a position that is above the audience, so you can look up and see the lights next time you're at a show. So I'm going to show you the process of how we hang a light. So first we're going to take the C-clamp and we're going to put it on the pipe, and then we're going to lock that down. We have our C-wrench. And then we are going to generally point the light in the direction of the stage. So we don't know where the designer exactly wants the light yet, so we're just going to rough focus it. All right, and then we're going to tighten the position. We're going to put this extra little safety measure on. So now we're going to plug in our light. See that it popped up on stage. And so these are the shutters, and they can help us change the shape of the light. So if we want to focus on a specific area, we can cut that down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to move this light onto the doorway. So I'm gonna open the shutters and center it. Center the hot spot, the brightest part of the light, and then we are going to cut that down to the doorway. That's how we focus a light. Usually we will have the designer on stage and they will tell us where they want us to point the light and how they want us to shape the light. So we will repeat this individual process on every single fixture in the lighting designer's plot. And once we have focused each light, we will work throughout Tech Week with the designer and we will program the lights, which is basically a way of telling each individual light when to turn on and when to turn off and when to do different effects. And all of that combined is how we get a lighting design on the stage.